We got some probiotic and electrolyte packs for the chickens. Let's see, maltodextrin, bacillus subtilis, fermentation product, probiotics. How much? This is basically just salt. Salt, potassium, sodium. Mix a single packet into 1 gallon of clean water. Okay, so it's about that. That's not gonna hurt. I feel like these little chickens just, they need a boost. Just for no other reason than the fact that they're tiny. And they're kind of struggling at life right now, just because they're tiny. So, pour that in. Ooh, it's pink. It's pretty. It looks like Himalayan salt, which is probably exactly what it is. Oh wow, it smells like, yeah, there's oregano oil, vitamin E, beta-carotene, vitamin B12, calcium. Wow, this is good stuff. Riboflavin, pyridoxine, hydrochloride, thiamine, forget how you say that. It smells like pepper, but it's oregano. It smells really good like oregano. Here's the other half gallon. I thought these electrolytes would be like something sweet and salty, but they have oregano oil, so definitely not a supplement that you'd want to drink. Okay, that's gonna be for the babies. That's for the babies. Oh, you guys need some more wood chips. I'm just making a mess of your home. I hate cooking these things. There's no water coming out. Maybe it just comes out slowly. This has these little feet that are collapsible. So the chickens are so little, so I didn't take these out. But I think they're big enough now. Are you under there? I can't see where you are. Try this, girls. You're gonna love it. Get your little beak in there.